come in today, tengok, diagnose, pasang. So okay, I'm Shafizam Ibrahim. You can call me Kak Izam. Resident Association punya WhatsApp group dekat Rafflesia. So everybody was like, why don't you try this Rugby? Why would you try this Rugby? So nak tak nak, I come to a point when one day I have to call you all to come and install at my house. Yes, so I got to know from a word of mouth lah. Okay, I was sitting for my IFP exam. It's a 3 hour, or is it 5 hours? 5 hours paper actually. So I was doing exam upstairs. Was at question number 13, and in maybe about 1 hour in aja baru masa tu, my internet drop. I got 4 hours. I belum tak habis lagi, and I got to switch it off. I've got to pakai my personal hotspot to finish off the exam. So, and I've got 2 papers. Hari ni dengan the next day. Tak adanya lah, want to call that. So I called Mazlan and say that, come in today, tengok, diagnose, pasang. So yeah, that's what he did. Yeah, so after my exam, the second day was fantastic lah. Tak payah nak fikir pun. It was just, was smooth sailing. But, at least I tak takut. So thank God, because I know way that I'm going to repeat my 5-hour paper. Like, no, so yeah, that's what happened. It's a one-time payment, and the value that you get is much more than that, when you talk about expensive, it's based on the one yang, so people dapat free kan. So, free things, what can you expect? And then you beli dekat mana-mana pun like very cheap. But this one, safe to say lah, I only have good things. And again, and good things to say. Yeah, the money spent is totally worth it actually. Not the fighter. It's just like when people say, hey, you all, is your Wi-Fi okay? Then we said fine. Then lepas tu minggu depan dia tanya lagi, is your Wi-Fi okay? Then it's fine. So bila cakap, okay, what's the good product? And when we said lah, we use this, and so dia kata mahal, then we said that okay lah, that's why you have that problem what you have, because orang yang pakai tak ada problem tu pun. I think ramai lah kat sini yang pakai this particular product. Okay, if you want a smooth sailing internet connection in your house, kat mana penjuru lah, then prepare to actually pay a little bit and get the best product.